Want to know how to get kids into gardening? Start with worms. Today I'm at a local garden nursery where kids are learning all about worm composting, also called vermicomposting, and how worms play a huge role in healthy garden soil. If you've ever wondered how to make gardening fun for kids, this is one of the easiest places to start. One of the biggest challenges with gardening with kids is getting them interested in the first place. Plants can take time. Results aren't instant. And face it, it's easy for kids to lose interest.
The nickname is called a pincushion.
But worms are hands-on, a little bit weird, and surprisingly fascinating.
They like it right at 75 degrees. That's the temperature.
In this workshop, kids are learning from Farmer Ellen how worm composting works, how food scraps break down, how worms create nutrient-rich compost, and how that compost helps plants grow. This process is called vermicomposting, and it's one of the simplest ways to teach kids about gardening and soil health at the same time. Instead of just talking about gardening, they're actually experiencing it.
Anyway, the moisture has to be just right in them. It can't be too wet, can't be too dry. Yeah, we have a windrow. We actually feed them manure, either cow manure or horse manure or both. How do I keep them alive? Well, they live in an 80-foot windrow of manure. So we have horses, and I go out, and my wife and I both go out and take turns. We pick up the horse manure, and then we get on our tractor and we haul it over to the windrow and we dump it in there, and they eat the manure. And they get big.
How big?
Well, they can get pretty big.
Farmer Ellen?
Yeah.
Maybe some.
And then the worms eat the horse poop, and then they poop, right? And that's where you get your fertilizer. It's all from the poop.
Amazing. Could chicken manure work?
Oh, they love chicken poop. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah.
Yeah, it stinks over there.
They also love scraps from the table as well.
And here, Farmer Allen's going to tell us exactly how our kids can make their own worm composting bins.
You guys like to know how to make a composting bin?
Yes.
Yeah? Want me to show you how to do it?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
These bricks are going to actually go in between the two bins. I'm going to set them in here, and I'll show you why we're going to do that. Peat moss over here that we're going to mix up as well to put in there for the worms to live in. Okay? And I have a bag of stones for what we call the black gold, and that's where the worms, they poop and stuff, and after a while that stuff it'll go down through the gravel and it turns to what they call black gold, and it's great fertilizer for your plants.
That means it's really dark and just really looks good, and there's lots of nutrients in the soil that the plants are going to take up and make them healthy and happy.
Right. With your first bin, you're going to get yourself a spout, which I bought at the hardware store, a spigot, and then there's a coupling on the inside. Okay, it screws on the inside to keep it in place. All right, that's going to be your bottom bin. All right, and then what you're going to do, once you get that done, put this down, and then you get your second bin, okay, and you drill some holes. And I'm going to go ahead and finish off these holes and drill a hole in the bin. This is so that the castings in the black gold can actually go down through these holes. I'm going to flip this over. A couple of bricks in here. I'm going to put one on one side and one on the other. We're going to put this on top so we have a little gap in between there. That's where all the liquid gold is going to go into. As we get a piece of cloth, something that the water will drain through, and we put it on top of these holes. Okay? This way the worms stay in the bin and they won't go down through the holes and into the bottom bin. We want to keep them in this bin right here. So then what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and tape this up. You guys get the idea. We're going to go ahead and add some gravel in here. Okay. Yeah. The gravel goes on the bottom, and then we're going to put the peat moss on the top. And that's what this stuff is right here. This is peat moss. Okay? And what we're going to do is we put this peat moss get the moisture just right. Yeah. Okay.
Yep, look, it's
You
splash
can feel it.
out of here.
There it is. See that?
Yeah.
That's just right. And that's what the worms are going to be living in.
And this is when the shift happens. When the ooh, worms turns into curiosity and excitement.
You guys want to take some worms home?
Yeah,
Yes, please.
Yeah?
please, I got
Okay.
a whole handful.
Not right now. Not right now.
Yeah.
When he
Oh, that's a
Because
lot.
I'll bag them up for you and you take some home.
That's a lot. That is a lot that I'm holding right
Look
now.
at
That
Look at that.
tickles.
See?
If you want to get your kids excited about gardening and really into it, start with something simple like worm
That's going to be
composting
yours.
and make yourself a bin at home. This is hands-on learning and kids get real excited to see the worms and to see them eat and well, even their poop too. To see how that can turn into fertilizer and make plants happy.
They can just live in there. That's where they live.
Even the moms are getting pretty excited about this worm composting stuff.
You know, they have to have, it's a good idea to have 18 to 24 inches of soil.
Okay.
They can go up and down in because they like it at 75 degrees.
Oh,
And when it gets real hot, they go down. And if it gets real cold, they go down.
okay.
But they primarily eat on the top 4 to 5 inches.
Okay. Good to know.
Right.
So if you've been wondering how to get kids into gardening, start small.
Look at all this. See?
Oh my
Make
God.
it hands-on
Yeah.
and never underestimate the power of worms. Because healthy soil means healthy plants.
He just said he's gonna put the worms in his mouth.
Look at this. Yeah. But this is what I do. This is my hobby. When Alan's at home, he likes to
Play with worms.
play with worms.
Therapeutic, huh?
Sally does her gardening.
Alan.
Sally does her gardening.
He's Alan.
Yeah, Farmer Alan, they call me. Yeah,
You're
I'm the guy.
you like to play with worms?
Yeah, with these worms.